Welcome back, y'all. Another episode of Old Cooler Garage. On this one, haven't done this in a while. We're going to do some garage meets food. What do you think we're cooking? Going down to the bayou today. Alright, let's do it. It's going to be tasty. Alright, show you what we got going. So, still trying to get warmed up. Currently, we got to mix some salt. And this stuff that I actually got at a bin store or something one time, it's actually really good. Not spicy and garlicky flavor. Pretty good. Definitely seafood. A little bit of this in there. And then some Blanco. I'm going to put some garlic in the water. And some lemons and a little bit of onion. And then we'll do the veggies next. So potatoes and corn. Before jumping into seafood. Alright, right now we just need to chop up some garlic, onions, and lemons to get them in. Status. Alright, next step. We got the juice pretty much seasoned. Gotta scoop a lot of the stuff out of here. All the garlic and everything. Oh. Madison, how do you even know about a seafood boil?
I saw it on YouTube.
Well, of course you did.
I already knew of it before that.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, YouTube. It's for my birthday.
Yes, it's for your birthday. How old are you now?
10.
30.
Not 30.
I know, you'll say you're old.
Double digits.
Ooh, you steamed my glasses up. Patrick, what are you doing over there, sir?
He's being crazy like he is.
Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch booty butts.
You're gonna put that part out.
They don't need to say booty butts on the internet. That's how I get banned with the booty butt. Don't touch it. Stop.
Oh, that smells so good.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw some of the garlic back in. Get that garlic flavor rolling. And so I'll come back out with the potatoes. They're the first thing to go in. Sift it. You want to dump some?
Yes, I sure do. Okay, so you want me to just dump the whole bag?
Yeah. Go slow. Boiling.
Yeah.
Patrick, those stay over here for cooking.
Now we
These are
have...
Girl! Okay, Patrick, back up, please. Hey, these are hot. Go over here, please.
Blooper. Oh, sorry.
Very good. I'm keeping the fur away from the clean ones. You got the stuff out, buddy? You can pick the strings. Oh, no. We have to eat that. Don't do that, sir. Girl, why?
Because I like to be YouTube famous.
I know you. Patrick's been on YouTube more times than he even knows.
He does.
Because he just runs up and says weird, crazy stuff. It's like, what?
Like that.
Patrick, booty butts don't go on the internet.
You sure are.
He's the bootiest of butts. Okay. Calm down. Alright. We'll be back after a little bit when the potatoes are done.
Yep.
Alright,
So,
we are.
we put the corn in.
Yep, we threw the corn in the meantime, and the potatoes are almost done. So, cook the potatoes for like 20 minutes or so. It's got the little fingerling, small ones. And then threw the corn in right at the end. I threw it in frozen, about 20 minutes, I think, on the potatoes roughly. Oh, like garlic's coming back up. So, watch garlic when you scoop, because it's garlic, not potato. I wish I had a basket for this thing, it'd help a lot. Rocco, this is not a good place to film. We have dogs here, we have the herd in the back, we have planes every 10 seconds.
What?
Planes that fly overhead, you can hear them on when you record, you can hear them on camera. They're very loud. I think I've got all the...
Make sure you guys have 10 pounds of potatoes.
No, do 5. 10's too much.
It feels like there's 10 pounds of potatoes
I
here.
think this is 10 pounds. This is my mistake.
Yeah, this is way too much, guys.
No. Hungry family. Also leftovers. We'll have a good leftover. Alright.
Look at how many potatoes.
You're a potato.
That is enough. And why do you smell like dog shit now?
Probably rolled in it.
Couldn't find the cheese.
There's a whole drawer of cheese.
Yeah, so I grabbed. Dad told me to grab any cheese, and I grabbed cheese.
Well, because there's no sliced cheese, and I thought that's what you were looking for.
Anyways, I grab a bag of shredded cheese and I sprinkle my way back to the door. And he just eats it the whole way. Hot, it's gonna be hot.
Don't touch, buddy.
It's gonna be
I'll
hot.
tell you when it's done. We're not ready.
No.
Isn't that so cool?
When we take them apart, I'll show you. You can pull a string and it'll go. Boop.
It's got meat.
Oh, okay.
Present card for you. Meanwhile, I think I have a hot pan with no butter in it on the stove.
Uh-oh. There you go. Yeah.
We're doing a seafood boil for my birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday!
Oh, thanks.
Like, what are they doing now?
Being crazy on a warm day.
I love it. Happy birthday, Maddie.
Thank you.
Well, don't eat it all outside, guys.
Well, no, I'm waiting for the next pan. I mean, I'm just eating the one piece of shred. Hey, Patrick, come here, let me. Look at the claw. Claw.
Ew.
Look at your animal.
I know.
Yeah.
Oh, buddy.
Happy birthday, Dad.
It's not my birthday, Patrick. No, it's not. This is Madison's birthday. It's my birthday? Okay. Well, what are we going to do in June? When is my real birthday?
Happy birthday, Dad.
Thanks, Patrick. Thank you.
Blanco!
Alright, last bags. After those, got shrimp next, and then sausage. I'm about to make a name for myself. I'll show my superior one. Actually, that's cool. Two hundo. There we are.
It's beautiful. Oh my god. It's so